sort of like wait till this place is not fluid to get it up there. Obviously, we've got some rollers and stuff in this thing, but you'll notice the hook. Okay, there should be a roller pin on it, of course, but the roller. This one just started leaking recently. As I slowly bring this thing up, as it hits that core, watch right here. I'm sorry, right here. That's the lock. It's over center.
Wow.
So even if